What's up, y'all? Real quick with this, I just got this in. I'm going to do an unboxing on this in just a bit, but I want to let you guys know about this real quick. I'm going to put two links down below in the description. One where you can order it internationally, and there's also going to be a coupon code JTRC where you can get 15% off. And then I'll also put a link below for Amazon as well, where you can purchase it from Amazon. But this little buggy, as you guys see here, it is brushless and it's for 2 and 3S lipo. So I'm going to show this to you guys real quick. And I'll do a little bit more in-depth unboxing on this, but it comes with a lot of little tools there. Let me shed a little light on this real quick. There we go. So it comes with an assortment of tools up in here. It comes with some lipos. I think that's just a 2S lipo, but I do have 3S lipos, but that looks pretty sweet up in there. But anyway, I wanted to show this to you guys. I'm going to do an unboxing on this. Expect that to come a little bit later on today. And then we're also going to get it out and run it too. And we'll do some speed tests on it to see how fast this can go on 2S and 3S. We'll probably save that for Saturday, but I do at least want to do an unboxing and kind of get this out because this has got oil-filled shocks and all that in there. So I'm pretty excited to kind of run this to see how this performs brushless on 2 and 3S and see if the buggy can actually hold up to it. So stay tuned for an unboxing of this. But like I said, there's links in the description. There's a coupon code to get a percentage off. And I want to at least share that with you guys because it's going to take me a minute to kind of get the unboxing and stuff together for this.